McDonald's is losing ground this Tuesday morning as second quarter comparable sales and adjusted EPS missed expectations. Now, in further details, global comparable sales declined 23.9% and consolidated revenues decreased 30%. Yet McDonald's president and chief executive officer Chris Kempczinski said, "Our strong drive-through presence and the investments we've made in delivery and digital over the past few years have served us well through these uncertain times." We saw continued improvement in our results throughout the second quarter as markets reopened around the world. Now, from a chartist point of view, the stock price is trading within a bullish channel in place since April lows and supported by its upward crossing 20 and 50-day moving averages, all currently in the $190 region. As a consequence, traders may consider long positions above the key 190 key support to target 2020 stop at 215. Alternatively, a downside breakout of 190 would trigger a bearish acceleration towards a June bottom at 179. For City Index, I'm James Sweeney.